What's up guys, how you going? Welcome back to another video. This is a quick little video. I just want to show you guys what I'm actually taking, so what gear I'm taking over to the States. When I post this video, I will most likely already be in America, but I wanted to show you guys the camera gear that I am bringing to the States. So I just want to show you guys some of the lenses and some of the camera bodies that I'm going to be bringing, and also some of the other gear that I'll be using on the trip, just to help me out when I do take my photos and videos and all the YouTube videos I'm going to be making on this trip. Let's get into it guys. Let me show you guys what camera gear I'm going to be bringing. Firstly guys, I'm going to be bringing two camera bodies. So one body that I'm going to be using, to take photos and while I'm on the go. And also the second body I'm going to bring is so I can put it onto a tripod so I can film things while I'm taking photos. Maybe you can film me, things like that. But the first body is the Canon R6. I absolutely love this camera. It is brand new. I've had it only for about 2 months. It is amazing. I've used it now nearly every day for any type of shoot that I'm on. A wedding, travel, I've used it for everything. It's absolutely amazing. And the second body I'm going to be bringing is actually filming right now. So it is the Canon RP. Still one of the best cameras I've ever bought in my whole life. It is absolutely amazing. I've had it now for 3 years and it's still going strong. So I'm bringing that as well. So those are the two bodies I'm bringing, the RP and also the R6. Alright guys, so let's get to the lenses. Now one lens I'm going to be bringing that I absolutely love is this Yongnuo 35mm f2. Great lens, I'm bringing it. It's small, there we go. It's small, it's compact, it's easy to carry. It's not thick, it's not long, it's good. But yeah, great lens to bring. Good for portraits if I ever do a portrait shoot over there. So second lens I'm gonna be bringing is my favorite lens at the moment. It's the 85mm 1.8 from Viltrox. It is my favorite lens right now. It is a little thick. It's much bigger than that 35 I just showed you guys, but it's totally worth bringing it. It's not too heavy or anything like that. It is just a little thick, but it will fit into my suitcase really well, and it's a must-have, so I'm bringing it regardless. So third lens I'm bringing, this one is going to be amazing for when I do some travel like type of photos. Going to the beach, taking photos of surfers, taking photos of mountains that are quite far away. This lens here is a monster. I absolutely love it. It's the Tamron 35mm to 150, 2.8 to 4. Still good. I still love it. I still get amazing travel photos with it. It is big though. It does need the adapter when I put it onto the RP or to the R6, but still worth it. Still a really good lens to bring. Love this. One of the lenses I'm going to be bringing is actually filming me right now. It is the 24mm by Sigma 1.4. Awesome lens. I cannot wait to use it. I'm going to do some portrait photos over there with this thing. I might make a video about the 24mm while I'm over there, but still one of my favorite lenses. I'm bringing that for sure. Cannot wait to use that while I'm in America. Now the last lens I'm going to show you guys is my newest lens. This lens is the Canon 16mm f2.8. This is such a great lens for vlogging, so I'm going to be using this lens when I vlog, and also I might take some cool mountain or landscape photos with this lens. It's super wide. I love it, but it's mainly for vlogging. So when I do my vlogs and things like that over there, this is the lens I'm going to be using. It's hella small. It's a really compact and small lens, which I really like. And it's, yeah, easy to put everywhere. It's not bulky, does not get in the way, and it is really, really, really light. Shout out to Canon and 16mm. Let's go. So the second last item I'm going to show you guys is a drone. Now this drone is borrowed, but it is the DJI Air 2S right here. Really cool. I used this drone for the first time about 2 weeks ago. It is awesome. I love this drone. The footage I'm going to get over in America should be really, really cool. Our last item of camera equipment I'm going to be bringing over to the States is this DJI Osmo Action. This is so cool. I love this thing. I'm not 100% if I'm going to use it yet, but I have a feeling I'm going to be using it for like road trip, getting some time lapses, and just maybe some vlogging if I really need to use this thing. Other things that I'll be bringing my Mac, I'll be bringing my iPad so I can edit on it. So I do edit all my videos on a Mac and I edit all my photos on an iPad. Also, one last thing guys that I'm bringing to the States, I totally forgot about it, but I am bringing this Benro tripod. It is so light, like literally so light. You can have this hanging off your backpack. You can have this in your suitcase. It won't put a dent in anything. It is absolutely light. It's so good. So I'm bringing this tripod to the States. So this is the tripod that I'm going to be doing vlogs on. This is a tripod that I'm going to put my cameras on. It's super light and super strong as well. So it is an awesome tripod to bring on any type of traveling trip. Whether it's in a car, whether it's in a plane, whether it's on the boat, any type of trip that you're going traveling, it is the best tripod to bring. Alright guys, so that's all the gear that I'm going to be bringing over to the States. Hopefully it's enough gear for me to be able to get some cool footage and cool photos. Also, hopefully it fits all in my suitcase. But after this video guys, hopefully my next one will be about the American trip. Stay tuned. Let's go!